follow me. I think it's this way.
Okay.
Hey, look, there's footprints. That means that we're like heading the right way.
Ah.
Guys, I know it's this way. Let's go.
Are you sure?
I'm really sure. I am like a compass. Hey guys, look, and there's like footprints here. That means that we're heading the right way. We're like heading toward a town. Trust me on this, guys. I know what I'm doing. I'm positive. Stop doubting me, guys. Just wait until we get there, and then you guys will realize that I was actually
Wait,
right.
guys.
What?
The cracks are multiplying. The platoon of soldiers are miraculously expanding into a regiment.
See? It must be some big military town. You guys were doubting me. Please. Stop underestimating me.
I'll believe it when we
Wait,
get here.
these are our tracks.
No, they're not.
Oh gosh.
Okay. Let's go make a fire, okay? We gotta keep warm.
Let's just,
Okay, fine. Here, I'll take out my pistol and let's try to shoot this.
Oh, that'll work.
Guys, the horses are now leaving.
What?
You
You let the horses go?
At least we have a fire.
That's
There's
not gonna
no
work.
fire.
Do you see a fire? I don't see a fire.
Well, none of you guys are trying.
You know, we're all gonna die here. I don't want to die. It's gonna be so awful.
I think we should just try to like die together. And I mean, I'll never drink another drop of whiskey again. Just don't want to die.